Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue, all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. First of all, you have just to open your web browser and dive into System.io. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you can just scroll down here to know more understand, but before, let's know what is System.io and how it works. So welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an organic sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So here we have System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing, and that's it. Then we have here who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. Manage every single aspect of your business without the hassle. We have course creators here, make money teaching people what you know, host your online training, receive payments for your students, and sell your courses using sales funnels or emails. Then we have freelancers here, create a powerful website to sell your services, showcase your work, and get more leads. Then we have consultants, run evergreen webinars, communicate with your clients, and grow your audience. Then we have small business owners, bring your business to life with our marketing and e-commerce tools, sell anything to anyone with our point of sale features. Then if you scroll down and you want to become an affiliate, you have to do is just click over become an affiliate, and you'll find other page, which is this one. So we have here over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. We have join our affiliate program today, promote our offers, pull your leads into our funnels, and first we have earned 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Then we have strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to your referrals. Then we have here open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Then we have anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. So here you have just to enter your email address and you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions. So right now let's know how you can get started as an affiliate. Learn everything about being a successful System.io affiliate. The first step, read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Then we have step 2, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Then we have the third step, check out our branding page to find all assets you'll need to create content about System.io. Then the fourth step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then we have here the definition of System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. Build skills, funnel, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. Then we have here System.io free plan, earn 60% lifetime recurring commissions, and that's it. If you want to get started, you just write your email address and your password and you get started. So making money through a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses. Leveraging your expertise. Subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So here we have how you can create a product. First, you click over physical products and you click over create. You write your name and you copy the description on ChatGPT and you paste it here, or also you can use other websites like Perplexity and other things. Then you link that information like SKU and product tags, currency, price, weight here, inventory. Also you click over it, then you write your stock limit value. Then about shipping, also disable shopping fees for these products. And about media, you can just download it on canva.com for example, and you'll find your photo, then you upload it here. Then about options, we have this product has options such as size or color. You have your option name, option values, and also you can add another option and you can add another option. Then you click over save. So this one, it's about physical products. Then we have also courses here. You can add a new course. So you write your name here, your domain and your path here. Then you choose the one you want here and then you click over save. That's for the courses. Then we have the communities. You have just to click over create and you write your name, your domain name, your path, and you click over save. And right now that it's depend of your prices and how you can get started. We have here the first one, or the first package is for free. As you can see, this is how it looks. Also we have the startup one, you have to pay $27 per month, and we have webinar here, you have to pay $47 per month. Unlimited, you have to pay $97 per month, and it's limited for all these characteristics. Then we have here payment gateways. About this one, these options that you can get paid, we have Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pay, Pago or Reserve Pay, Flutterwave, Molly, Cardless, Paystock, Secure Pay and Pay, cash on delivery also, and other things. So earning money draw a system requires a strategic approach tailored to certain and market demand. Whether you draw affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models, the possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With education and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.